If you don't like forgetting things but still do, then try these tricks to boost your memory. Hey there, ever wished you could remember every detail of a special moment? Well, I've got exciting news for you. Welcome back to the channel where we explore ways to unlock your full potential. Today, we're diving into the world of photographic memory and how it can transform your life. We've all been there. Forgetting someone's name or key information can be so frustrating. But don't worry, photographic memory is here to save the day. The secret? Visualization, association, and repetition. By weaving these techniques into your daily routine, you can boost your memory retention and recall like never before. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, a step-by-step guide to unlock photographic memory in just 24 hours. Get ready for practical tips and exercises that'll supercharge your memory skills and leave you amazed. Remember, memory isn't fixed, it's a skill you can improve. Try these techniques and see how your memory transforms. Give them a go and share your progress in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.